Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a 2.0 version of a tutorial that I did a long time ago by the name of Any Card Up. And if you're new here, you probably don't even know I have a tutorial by that name, but it's a great trick and I encourage you to check it out. But here's a 2.0 version of it that, when I did that first tutorial, a lot of people, when you do an any card, any number effect, they're always worried about a spectator either naming a number too high or naming a number too low. Doesn't make the trick look very good. So this is a version of how to do that trick without worrying about, a spectator naming any number that's too high or too low for the trick. So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, don't show you. You take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay, you have no idea where it is. Give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely mixing up the location of their cards. Now, this is the point in Any Card Up when you would ask the spectator to name any number between 1 and 52. To get around that, you just have the spectator just give the deck a cut, take the two top cards and say, we're just gonna add those two numbers together. Now, a face card is 10 and spot cards are however many spots they have. So if it was a 4, you'd add 4. An ace would be 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So I'm not gonna find their card 11th from the top, I'm gonna find their card 11th from the bottom. So if I just take the cards and count down 11 cards, that'll be 1, that'll be 2, that'll be 3, that'll be 4, that'll be 5, that'll be 6, that'll be 7, 8, 9, 10, and then finally the 11th card out of all of these cards. Wouldn't it be amazing if that were the selected card? And that's Any Card Up 2.0. Now before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting this channel. And if you're looking to support this channel, you can do that all through YouTube in the links provided below. And now a message from not David Blaine.
I am not David Blaine, but I do want you to visit thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, all at a reasonable price. So check out thebestmagicshop.com.
Okay, Any Card Up 2.0, the tutorial. So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. You have a spectator select any card that they like. So let's just say they pick this card right here. You're gonna need to get their card to the bottom of the deck. The way I did it, and you can use any method that you like, I just took their card, placed it in the top half of the deck, pushed it in, and then on the final push, just lifted up with my thumb, and then maintained a break with my pinky. So I got a pinky break, and then when you cut the cards, cut at the pinky break, place these on the table, and then cut half of the remaining cards, place these on top, and then the remaining cards, place them on top. Now that'll get their card to the bottom. Now, give the cards a shuffle, and shuffle one card or two cards, okay? Either one. Sometimes you get one, sometimes you get two. It just takes a little practice on how many you get. Shuffle one or two cards first. This is the bottom card, this is their selected card, and then shuffle their card, okay? So you mix these together, so you were gonna place a few cards, at least one, but sometimes you get two. So if you always do two, then you know it's two. If you just always do one, you always just know that it's one, okay? So in this case, I have two cards on top of their selected card, the 9 of hearts. Now that gives their card to the bottom, and you can, keep shuffling if you want. Just make sure that you shuffle, the 3 cards first to maintain them on the bottom. So you can shuffle over and over and over again, but just maintaining those cards on the bottom, so you know that there's third from the bottom. So this is in the part where Any Card Up, you would have them name any number that you want. But if you're worried about them naming a too high of a number or too low of a number, this is what you just have them just cut the deck in half. Remember that this is the bottom half. Just turn over 2 cards and then add the 2 numbers together. Place the top on top to maintain that this is still the bottom. Add the 2 numbers together so you get 10, and you can cut twice or you can cut 3. If you cut 3, you just get three cards, so maximum of 30, minimum of 3 if you get 3 aces or 3 face cards. You could do that if you wanted to cut 3 times and then say, do you want to just keep 1 card, 2 cards, 3 cards? You could do that as long as you don't get like an ace or a 2, just if they keep one card, etc. But anyways, just have them add these 2 together and you get 10 for this case. Say you're going to find their card 10th from the bottom. Now you know their card's 3rd from the bottom on this card because we added 2 cards. Start by counting the first card, 1, okay? Then you count the second card, 2. On the third card that you know is their card, you're going to do the glide move. The glide move is pushing this card back, hiding it with your hand here, so you want to hold the deck, hiding the seam of the card with your finger. Okay, so it looks like this. You're hiding that card. You're just pushing their card back a little bit, so then now you can grab cards that are on top of their card. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now you're just grabbing cards from here. 4, 5. See, it looks just like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then when you get to 10, their number, then you grab their selected card. So it was, jog down like that. Grab their selected card, just put it face down, and then in one move, show all the rest of their cards. They could have picked any one of these cards, any one of these cards. They cut to the number 10, and then when you reveal it, it's their selected card. Okay? So that's just another way of doing the any card up, any card, any number, easy any card, any number trick, just by having them select a number by cutting the deck, and then you get to 2, random cards. One of them is actually the top card, but one is completely random wherever they cut to, and then you add those 2 together, get that number, etc. Okay? Now that's just another way of doing it. I hope you like it, so you guys don't get caught up with, what if they name too high or too low of a number. So it's just another way of doing it. If you like this video, please tell me. If you have any comments, leave them in below. If you have any questions, etc., I do respond to comments. So until next time.